Glam fam, what's up? If you want to know how I got this summertime beat for the summertime heat, then just keep on watching. Let's do this. And next, we're going to get into spot correcting and NARS Radiant Concealer. Now, I know what you're thinking. The concealer's a little too light, and I get that. So I am going to use the Bare Minerals Powder Foundation just to go over the spots. Pounce it in my skin. Bare Minerals Powder Foundation just to set what I've done. I'm going in it with my Morphe M429 brush. That's what I always use. It's this brush right here. And it doesn't stick to dry patches. See how I have some breakouts and some dry patches? And it's looking pretty good. Contour the face. I am going in with something I've been excited to show you guys. This is the NYX Wonder Stick. It is phenomenal. So basically we can do a little review right here. On one side it has the highlighting concealer. It's not a shimmer, it's just a basic matte. I'll swatch it for you guys. See, it's just a creamy matte that matches my skin tone on my wrist exactly. And then on this side, it is a cream product. And look how much product that comes with. Eat your heart out, KKW Beauty. No shade, but look at that. And this is in the color Deep. It's the darkest one they have. They have a universal one that's really good. But like on the days that you're rushing to work, this is like phenomenal. It's so quick. It's like putting lipstick on your face. And I'm gonna go down my nose. Snatch that nose up, baby. Snatch that nose. All right, and then look at this. Under here, I'm going to use the highlighting part because I wouldn't use this under my eyes because I don't know about stick concealers for under my eyes. I'm not really a big fan. And then we can even go down the bridge of our nose. Hey, Snatch Nose, how you doing? All right, then I'm going to take that same Morphe brush that I used earlier, and we're going to blend. First, we'll blend the light ones so that we don't have a mess, and that's just gonna make your contour stick out better. It's just like coloring. Look, you just go in the lines, brush down for this shade, the concealer shade, and brush up for the bronzer shade. Perfection. Look at that. And because it's a cream product, it sits on the skin like it is skin. So you don't have like powder sitting on your skin. I think it's a great, I think it was like $8. You can't beat that. Okay, because I'm extra, and you know I am extra, I am just gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me just to set it. Just to set it. Look, I'm doing all this with like one brush. Just setting that cream contour. And this is such a natural powder. Do you guys see this? It's a regular Fit Me foundation powder, but I just get the darkest one they have, and then it becomes a contour for me. This nose, you know, blended in. I'm going to go in with this small, tiny Bare Minerals Kabuki. And I feel like this does perfect for contouring. It doesn't wipe off the product, but it blends it so beautifully. All right, excellente. Hey, I'm going to powder a little bit of banana powder on top of where I laid all that stuff. I can use this powder brush that I just got in my Mickey limited edition set. I'm gonna tap up the excess, that powder right there, and we'll remove it when we're all done. We're gonna do the easiest eye you've probably ever seen on my channel. Even though I have some pretty easy eyes, we're gonna take that same NYX stick. You're gonna love this. Wait for this, guys. Right on the lid. That's it. Just watch. Okay, just a little bit goes a long way. You want to keep this as natural as possible. Doesn't matter how neat you do it. It can be put on crappy because you're gonna take your finger and you're gonna blend it out. Cream side part. And we're just going to tap that right in the middle, in the inner corner, and on the brow bone. Ah, you guys like this, don't ya? Don't ya? Now we're just going to use our finger. No brush needed. Now we're going to go into blush. I'm going in with the Physicians Butter Blush in the color Vintage Rose. Whoopsie. And today I am going to use their brush. I was not going to use their brush, but I figured I want to try this little guy because it's like a foam brush, and I was wondering maybe that works better with their product because it's like a cream powder blush, and it smells like you're on a tropical vacation. Oh, this is applying the blush much better. I'm also going to go over my nose to give that sunburn effect. I'm going to use this Benefit Bad Girl Bang. It is my favorite mascara. It doesn't irritate my eyes, and it makes my lashes look good, girl. It makes it look good, girl. Look at that. Already, I just started doing it, and it's just giving me lovely lashes. Well, let's dust this powder off first. Okay, beautiful. So for lips, I figured we'd go in with this Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Trophy Wife. We're going to not use it to only line the lips, so we are going to use it to fill in the entire lip. But first, I got a treat for you guys. We're going to go in with this hemp, sugar cane, and papaya lip scrub, so that since we're doing the lip pencil look, the lip pencil My Lip But Better, we're going to make sure our lips are nice and exfoliated. I figured this is the fastest and cheapest way to do it. I think this was $8 at Ulta, and they were doing buy one, get one half off, so I was able to get the balm too. And if you guys have never tried this hemp lip balm, my daughter put me onto this. You need this in your life, girl. You need this in your life. So we're going to exfoliate hers. It's just sugar on your lips. I love it. And we're going to just do one of these. And then you completely wipe it off. And your lips, look at that. Your lips look plumper. They feel better. They're amazing. Thank you, Lena, which is my daughter, for showing me this. Now I'm going to go in with this contour, lip contour. This lip pencil, if you haven't seen it in my other videos, is so creamy. With that, isn't that a beautiful lip pencil color? Come on, it's gorgeous. But I'm not done. I am going to go in with the hemp lip gloss on top. Look at that. Beautiful, natural, and it's doing something for your lips at the same time. So you can't lose with this. Now I'm going to highlight. Oh, you thought I wasn't going to highlight? You know better. Going with Smoke and Whistle by ColourPop. I believe last time I used Spoon for you guys. This time I'm using Smoke and Whistles. These are $8 on ColourPop.com. They're creamy. See that? You can leave your finger. I'm sure you guys have heard about this. Whoops. You guys see that? It's beautiful. I don't know why it's not. There we go. Okay. And we're going to use our fingers. Just put it in a C formation on the high points of our cheeks. I'm very dark, so it doesn't show up as well, but this is the look I'm going for anyways, because I'm trying to keep it all natural. Under work, I just pulled this out and just tap it in so there's no line. I'm going to go down my nose. Hey, look at that. Look at that. I'm going to calm it down just a tad. Final touch for the final look, and I am going to put my hair in a ponytail. We are going to spray with this Mario Badescu Rose Spray. And our makeup ain't going nowhere. If it can survive this Florida heat at Disney, it can survive anything. Trust me when I tell you that. All right, I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.